Coo. Babies coo when they are happy. Cooed. The pigeon cooed on the balcony. Cooed. She is cooed sweetly to her baby. Coos. The dove coos every morning. Cooing. The baby is cooing in her sleep. Cook. They cook delicious meals daily. Cooked. She cooked pasta for dinner. Cooked. He has cooked many dishes before. Cooks. My mother cooks very well. Cooking. The chef is cooking a special dish. Cool. They cool the drinks before serving. Cooled. The wind cooled the hot air. Cooled. He has cooled the soup. Cools. The fan cools the room quickly. Cooling. The AC is cooling the office. Cooperate. They cooperate to complete the project. Cooperated. She cooperated with the investigation. Cooperated. He has cooperated in the team efforts. Cooperates. The staff cooperates with new employees. Cooperating. They are cooperating to solve the issue. Cope. They cope well under pressure. Coped. She coped with her loss bravely. Coped. He has coped with many struggles. Copes. She copes with stress effectively. Coping. They are coping with the new environment. Copy. They copy notes from the board. Copied. She copied the design exactly. Copied. He has copied the entire text. Copies. The printer copies documents quickly. Copying. He is copying the homework. Correct. Teachers correct student errors. Corrected. She corrected my grammar. Corrected. He has corrected all the typos. Corrects. The editor corrects articles. Correcting. He is correcting the assignment. Correspond. They correspond through emails. Corresponded. She corresponded with the manager. Corresponded. He has corresponded with many clients. Corresponds. The address corresponds to the map. Corresponding. She is corresponding with her professor. Corrode. Acids corrode metal over time. Corroded. The pipes corroded due to water. Corroded. The statue has corroded completely. Corrodes. Rust corrodes iron quickly. Corroding. The old car is corroding fast. Corrupt. Greed can corrupt a person. Corrupted. Power corrupted the king. Corrupted. The files have corrupted completely. Corrupts. Dishonesty corrupts society. Corrupting. The system is corrupting due to fraud.